Have you noticed the buzz around Spain? From its growing economy to its enviable lifestyle, Spain has become a magnet for global talent. But is moving to Spain the right move for you? In this video, I will break down the rising interest in Spain, the visa options available, and what life is really like once you arrive. By the end, you will have a clear idea of whether Spain fits into your future. Let's start with why Spain is on everyone's radar. Spain's economy has seen steady growth in recent years, bouncing back from previous challenges. Industries like tech, tourism, and renewable energy are thriving, making it a hub for professionals and entrepreneurs. Spain offers a blend of vibrant city life, stunning coastline, and picturesque countryside. Add to that the Mediterranean diet, siestas, and a warm, welcoming culture, and it's no wonder people are drawn to that country. What about comparing the cost of living? Compared to other Western European cities, Spain remains relatively affordable. For instance, you can live comfortably in cities like Valencia and Seville on a fraction of what you will spend in London or Paris. One thing you want to know is that numbers don't lie. Visa applications have surged up in the last decade, particularly for non-EU citizens seeking better opportunities and higher qualities of life in Spain. One of the most popular ways to move to Spain is through the Golden Visa program. You may be wondering, how does it work? The program allows non-EU citizens to gain residency by making a significant investment in Spain. This might not be for everyone, but yeah, if you dream it, you can make it. The minimum investment you have to put in there is 500,000 euros, and you have to put it in Spanish real estate. There's also an alternative option to that. If you have 1 million euros in shares or 2 million euros in Spanish government bond, then you are in for that particular visa type, which is the Golden Visa. The residency makes it possible for you and your family to come over to Spain, and you'll be free to travel within the Schengen zone. No requirement to stay in Spain full-time to maintain your residency. That is cool for those who have the money. Yeah, you can get it and then be coming in to Spain as a hub or place for vacation. The challenge, there are, of course, with everything in life. While the program is straightforward for many, navigating property purchases and meeting documentation requirements can be complex. Working with an experienced lawyer or consultant is highly recommended in this regard. So you have to do your due diligence when you embark on this route. What if you're not ready to invest? Are there other visa options that are available? Sure, there are. Spain offers various work visa options that is tailored to meet the needs of different professionals. What are those visa types? Highly skilled professional visa are available for people in the field of IT, engineering, and healthcare. You have regular work visas, and this is for general employment or what we classify as low-key employment. Then you have visas also for freelancers and self-employment. This is ideal for remote workers or for entrepreneurs. What are the requirements for all of these visas, and what documentation do you need to provide for you to be able to get this visa? Let's check that now. You need to have proof of job offer or business plan, depending on the visa type that you are applying for. You also need to have a financial means to support yourself and your family members that will eventually come with you. Background checks and health insurance coverage. What are the timelines for these visas? On the average, work visa application takes 1 to 3 months to process, but delays can occur due to paperwork, or probably there are so many people in the pool as at that time. But I'll give you a pro tip for this. When you are applying for this visa, ensure that all your documents are translated into Spanish by a certified translator to avoid delay. So don't just send in your certificates or your documents in English or in any other language. Get a certified translator to translate it to Spain so that this will fast track the application process. Now let's dive down a little and talk about what you can expect when you get into Spain. Let's talk about the costs of living. While major cities like Madrid and Barcelona are pricier, smaller cities like Valencia and Granada offer excellent quality of life. Expect monthly expenses of around 1,500 to 2,000 euros in bigger cities and 1,000 to 1,500 euros in smaller towns. What about renting? Of course, you will live. Renting in Madrid averages between 1,200 euros to 1,800 for a one-bedroom in the city center. Smaller towns offer renters under 800 euros. You never know, you might need healthcare. And in Spain, the healthcare system is among the best in Europe. Residents can access public healthcare for a small fee or opt for affordable private healthcare. Now, what about the education system? Spain boasts high-quality public and private schools, as well as internationally renowned universities like the University of Barcelona and the Autonomous University of Madrid. What can make you cope when you get into the city? Learning Spanish to understanding regional custom is good, like late dining hours. Adapting to life in Spain is part of the adventure. Yeah, if you get to any city, not just Spain, any city that you go to, immerse yourself into the culture with the people so that you get to know them and you get to relate and even think like them. Spain has vibrant expat communities, making it easier to connect with like-minded individuals. Cities like Malaga and Alicante are particularly expat friendly. So what it means is that you can go to those cities and you will find your type. Probably from your own country, you will find them there. Now, the basis of this discussion is to give you a checklist to see how life is, the pros and cons of Spain, things you could expect. Now, the big question is Spain right for you? So is Spain your next home? The first thing you want to do to answer this question is to analyze your goal. Are you seeking career growth in a thriving economy? Do you prioritize work-life balance and cultural experiences? Are you prepared for the paperwork and adaptation process? While Spain offers incredible opportunities, challenges like language barriers and bureaucratic hurdles shouldn't be overlooked. You expect that occasionally. As you go on your journey, you will need to check government websites like Strategia, I might not be saying it well, for visa details, and expert forums like Internations for first-hand advice. Yeah, going into these two websites that I mentioned will help you to weigh your circumstances, relate with people who are already ahead of you in Spain. Spain's doors are open and the opportunities are vast, but the choice is yours. Whether you are considering the golden visa, a work visa, or simply dreaming of life under the Spanish sun, this could be your moment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is planning their next big move. Tell us in the comments what excites you most about living in Spain. I will see you in the next video.